As a part of auto-calibration, the machine is using a cutout in the build plate. It's finding the center of a cutout with left-hand side tool, right-hand side tool, and then it's making sure they overlap. So when you print your multi-material modes like soluble support, multicolor parts, multi-material parts, you want to make sure those nozzles overlap and their center is the same, not to have any gaps or voids. This procedure is done during auto-calibration. One very crucial and important aspect to make sure this feature is working accurately is to make sure your heat breaks are not bent. You want to look at the hot end and you want to make sure that it's straight. It's looking straight down, it's not bent in this direction or that direction. And after you do auto-calibration, there is a print designed to verify if auto-calibration worked correctly and if your nozzles are actually aligned. To find this print, you want to go to your web interface, Jobs, Slicer, Tests, and you will have XY alignment test. You want to download it, open in the slicer, and select the material you're printing with. What you want to do is to have contrast material like black and white. For example, in the left-hand side tool, you want to have black material and white in the other one. It's going to print a cylinder and it will be changing color every time. So you will have two circles overlapping. And this is a very easy way to verify and tell. To just look around the part and make sure it has the same color. If your nozzles are not aligned, the circles will shift and you will have more of one color than another on one side. We have a way to fix it and adjust for it. The same way as you are adjusting your Z offset when printing the first layer, you can adjust XY offset. To do that, while your part is printing, you can do that and go to System, Calibration, Live XY Offset Adjustment. And what you're doing, you're moving right-hand side tool head left, right, back, and forward. There are nice arrows to indicate it. So let's say I'm printing this cylinder and my right-hand side, which has black filament, and I can see a little bit more black on the right-hand side. It means to align it, I need to move it to the left-hand side. So I will be clicking Move Tool 1 Left. You want to make this decision based on how the part is coming out, but it's actually very easy. You just print a cylinder, you want to make sure it is aligned, you want to click it a few times, you will get the new offset, you will be prompted with a new offset, and the goal is to make sure the cylinder is aligned, and when you rotate it, the color looks the same all around the part. When you change the offset, it will be immediately and automatically saved. You don't have to do anything. You just want to click it, make sure the circles are aligning and the color looks the same all around. When you're satisfied with the result, you don't have to change anything. You can be sure that it's saved. So that's the sample part we were talking about. As you can see, it's printed as a cylinder. You can see it's along y-axis and x-axis. And you can see that's how we started. It was pretty good. You can see at the bottom it was pretty good. And we wanted to show you and change a little bit. So you can see actually more yellow here on the left hand side. So then we moved it a little bit forward, a little bit to the right hand side, and now you can see this result is really good. You can see all around the part color is pretty much the same. We could change it a little bit and move it a little bit forward just a bit, but again, it's microns. This print will actually show you the offset in a very, very detailed way.